वेलकम टू NYC देसी दोस्तों। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आज मैं हूँ यूनाइटेड नेशंस के अंदर और हमारे लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी भी हमारे साथ हैं। तो मेरे लिए बहुत ही गर्व की बात है कि मैं उनके साथ आज योगा करूँगा और काफ़ी लोग एक्सपेक्टेड यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 1500 to 2000 लोग एक्सपेक्टेड हैं यहाँ पे योगा करने के लिए। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं पूरा इवेंट कवर करूँ, आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँ। वीडियो को एंड तक देखना और मुझे बताना कि आपको कैसा लगा। दोस्तों एकदम स्टेज तैयार हो चुका है। दिस इज स्टेज जहाँ पे मोदी जी आएंगे एंड देखिए किस तरह से यहाँ पे सब लोग आए हुए हैं योगा करने के लिए। काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है लोगों में। अगर आप देखेंगे पूरा UN का जो नॉर्थ लॉन है एकदम भर चुका है। नॉर्थ लॉन ही क्या, देखिए नॉर्थ लॉन के साइड में जो बाकी लॉन्स हैं सब जगह आप देखेंगे कि सुबह से लोग आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे सुबह के अभी 7:30 हो रहा है बट लोग ऑलमोस्ट 5:30 बजे से यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं। देखिए किस तरह से मैं आपको 360 व्यू दिखा रहा हूँ UN लॉन का। दोस्तों ये गांधी बस जहाँ पे मोदी जी आएंगे बिफोर ही गोज़ टू द स्टेज। देखिए किस तरह से पूरा रेड कारपेट लगा हुआ है उनके लिए। तो एवरीथिंग इज़ रेडी यहाँ पे। वी ऑल आर एक्साइटेड एंड उनके लिए वेट कर रहे हैं वो कब आएंगे। स्टेज सज चुका है, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑन डॉट। यहाँ पे काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है लोगों में। आप देखेंगे किस तरह से एक छोटी सी पहल शुरू हुई थी इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा को लेके एंड कितना फेमस हो चुका है ये। अभी आज ही के दिन हो सके तो मैं आपको टाइम स्क्वायर भी लेके जाऊँगा। टाइम स्क्वायर में भी दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा। तो हर जगह पे यू विल सी दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट। दोस्तों अब जहाँ पे देखेंगे, जहाँ तक आपकी नज़रें जाती हैं वहाँ पे सिर्फ योगा पार्टिसिपेंट ही दिखेंगे आपको। सब लोग देखिए किस तरह से everyone is excited and waiting for the event to start। आप देखें किस तरह से कई लोगों ने वार्म अप भी स्टार्ट कर दिया है। they are warming up already for the yoga। इनको देख कैसा लग रहा है कि they have been practicing yoga बहुत सालों से।
Extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you joining in person, but also to those who are watching or listening to the live webcast. This is a very special yoga event. I don't have to tell you that because most of you already know. We're experiencing a historic moment in time today. As we celebrate this 9th anniversary of World Yoga Day, we are honored to be joined by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi.
देखिए किस तरह से लोग एक्साइटेड हैं उनका नाम लेते हैं। I mean, it is, ये जो फीलिंग मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि कैसा लग रहा है। To be on the UN North Lawn and doing yoga.
𝗗𝗘𝗢𝗦 is a Sanskrit verse which originates from the Indian scriptures, and it loosely translates to the concept that the whole world is one family. Friends, let us now come to stillness as the Honorable Prime Minister joins us, paying tribute as he does to the Gandhiji statue. I ask that we remain seated in our spot.
Please take your seat.
Time has come for me to share how much we're so privileged to have with us today none other than the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, a distinguished world leader and an ardent yoga practitioner. I'd like to remind everyone that it is Prime Minister Modi ji himself back in December 2014 who introduced the idea of establishing World Yoga Day to the UN General Assembly. A record number of 175 member states recognized yoga's universal appeal. Friends, I'm now going to call upon yoga instructor Miss 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 Richmond so that she can join on the stage. Quickly, we're going to prepare the stage so that we can get it ready for our yoga lesson. I've mentioned before that we'll have 6 energetic youngsters leading us along with Miss 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 Richmond in this lesson. And we have more in the first row here on the North Lawn joining us so that people behind can also follow that way too. I'm requesting that everyone stay on your yoga mat in your spot and breathe in and breathe out, and let us chant Om. Deep breath in. Gently open your eyes. We'll start our yoga sadhana, our yoga practice, with some loosening exercises to increase the circulation in the body. So let's stand up. We'll start in Samasthiti, face to the sky. Inhale, head to the center. Exhale, chin to the chest. Relax. Inhale, bring the head back to the center. Exhale, let the head go back, stretching the front of the neck. And one more time, inhale to the center. Exhale, chin to the chest. Stretch the back of the neck. Inhale, back to the center. Smile. Exhale, the chin over the left shoulder, feel the stretch over the right shoulder. Look as far as you can with the eyes. Inhale, back to the center, breathe in. Exhale, chin over the left shoulder, look to the left. Good. Now we'll do trunk twisting to warmer, look to the right. Good. Inhale, come back to the center. Palms facing each other. Exhale, twist just the upper body to the left, palm facing the left shoulder. Good, inhale, come back, looking forward, palms facing each other. Exhale, twist just the upper body to the right, look to the right, left palm to the right shoulder. Good, inhale, come back to the center.
And exhale, twist just the upper body to the left, right palm towards the left shoulder. The whole body, breathe in and breathe out. Good, inhale, lift the chest, come back up. Slowly, good. And exhale, relax. Good. We'll take a forward bend. Pada Hastasana, the hands to the feet posture. So keeping the feet in parallel, 2 to 3 inches apart from each other. Inhale, take the arms up from the front, all the way up. And exhale, bending only from the hip joint. Keep the legs straight. Start to reach forward. Stretch your fingertips forward till your body is like a table, parallel to the ground. And now slowly lower the fingertips down. Either bring the hands to the shin, and we'll take 20 rounds of Kapalabhati. Let's begin. Relax. Let the eyes closed. Relax the hands. Close with the thumb. Exhale out of the left. Inhale through the left nostril. Close with the ring finger. Exhale out of the right. One more. Inhale through the right. Close with the thumb. Exhale out of the left. With the eyes closed, relax the right hand in the lap. If you like, you can bring it into Dhyan Mudra. Relax the hands. We'll do one more pranayama. Brahmari pranayama. So let's bring, again, the hands and fingers onto the eyelids, and then the middle fingers onto both sides of the nose without closing the nostrils. The ring finger flaps with the thumbs. And we're going to be taking deep breaths in and breathing out with the humming sound 3 times. So let's go ahead and close the ear flaps with the thumbs. Take it out. With the eyes closed, relax the hands in the lap, palms facing up, and the left hand, the left out. Relax the shoulders. Take a long, deep breath in. As you breathe out, feel the weight of the body dropped onto the ground where you're sitting. And let the sounds be there as they are.
We'll meet and greet participants. May I ask for your cooperation and your understanding.
Please be seated.
Please sit down, please.
Seeing Prime Minister Modi ji meets and greets and mingles with some people. Excellencies and friends, I have some incredible news to share. A Guinness World Record is created today. Today we have gone for a Guinness World Record now in the books. It's a world record for the most nationalities in a yoga lesson. The most nationalities in a yoga lesson right here at New York UN headquarters. Big congratulations to all of us us for being part of this historic event.
दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से everyone is so excited. मोदी जी हमारे साथ हैं, no one is stopping. सब लोग चाहते हैं उनके साथ फोटो खींचें and then security is having a tough time यहाँ पे. But the yoga session was awesome. We all had a great time. I hope आप लोगों को भी ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. मोदी जी यहाँ से निकल चुके हैं. He is going to the stage. We have also done a Guinness record today in UN for so many countries participating in the yoga lesson at the same time. तो बहुत ही अच्छा इवेंट था ये, बहुत मज़ा आया.
Guys, please stay back.
Ben jij nog daar?